Do you ever feel like simple tasks take way too much energy? Things like sending a message, making a phone call, starting something small, and you think, why is this so hard for me? This is very common with ADHD. And it's not because you're lazy. It's because of something called mental energy cost. For ADHD brains, even small tasks can feel mentally expensive. What's one small task that feels harder than it should? Your brain doesn't always register easy tasks as easy. So instead of starting, your brain delays, avoids, or shuts down. That's why things that seem simple to other people can feel overwhelming to you. One way to help with this is to make the task smaller than it feels. Instead of, send the message, try, open the app, that's it. Lower the starting point. Because once you begin, your brain often follows. If this happens to you, you're not alone. And it doesn't mean there's something wrong with you. Your brain may just need a different starting point. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. If this helped you understand your ADHD brain, subscribe to Focus Mode ADHD.